Everybody makes mistakes, and that's okay. These are some intermittent fasting mistakes I learned the hard way. Hey everybody, I'm James, the Fasting Dad. Today we're going to talk about some intermittent fasting mistakes that beginners make, old-timers make, everybody makes, but can be easily fixed. And here's how to do it. The first mistake is eating too many carbs. Carbs taste great, and I did it last night. I had a bowl of spaghetti, but too many carbs, especially in your breaking your fast or in the evening, can be really detrimental to weight loss. So you don't want to do that. I got to cut that out, and so should you. The second one is too many calories. A lot of the time people feel like, oh, during my 6, 8, 4, however many hours of eating, I can just eat whatever I want now. You can't. You can't just eat whatever you want. You still have to manage your calories. We're not in calorie deficit necessarily, but we're still making sure we're not eating too many calories, not just pounding cookies and cake and pizza, although that would be amazing. You don't want to do that. The next one's really important. It's having too little water. You gotta drink water. You gotta keep hydrated. Drinking water is just really good for your body, and it's gonna stop the next one, which is hunger. You drink water, you're not gonna be as hungry throughout the day. The more water you have, the less hungry you're gonna be, and the more likely you are to make it to your time where you can break your fast. This just happened to me today. I didn't have enough water to drink, I was really hungry, and instead of waiting my full time to break my fast, I broke fast 15 minutes early. Not the worst, but I was really hungry, so I did break fast too early today. And the last one's too little sleep. Not getting enough sleep inhibits you from losing weight. It just does. Now, that's with or without intermittent fasting. While you're intermittent fasting, you want to get as much sleep as possible. That's just what you want to do to help your body maintain itself and get its own rest, and then you can lose that weight. I was up too much last night with the baby, so I didn't get enough sleep. And one bonus thing that I didn't want to mention, but I feel like I have to mention now that I've done some research on this, is too little exercise. Not enough exercise is going to make it so that you can't lose as much weight as you could. Working out while intermittent fasting is good for building muscles, and building muscles is good for burning fat. If you want to know more about intermittent fasting and the benefits, click this video right here. As always, let me know what's going on, how you're doing, how you think I'm doing in the comments down below. And if you got some enjoyment out of this video, smash that like button for me. And I'll see you tomorrow.